Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fill blank cells in Excel. Let's get started. In this dataset, notice the sales column containing blank cells. I can do this manually in this dataset, but if you have a huge dataset, then doing this manually may not be possible. Let me show you a more efficient technique. Start by selecting the entire data range with blank cells. Now press F5 on your keyboard. Alternatively, head to the Home tab, go to Find and Select in the Editing group, and select Go To. In the Go To dialog box, click Special to access the Go To Special dialog. Among the options, choose Blanks and hit OK. You'll see all blank cells in the selection highlighted. The active cell appears in white, while others are in gray. Anything you do now will affect the active cell. To swiftly input data, like not available, type it in the active cell. Here's the trick. Instead of pressing Enter, hold down the Control key and hit Enter. See what happens. The text instantly populates all the selected blank cells. You can repeat this with any other value or even insert formulas, zeros, or hyphens in the selected cells using the same process. That's the quick method to select and fill blank cells in Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.